His shoulders and his eyes. He's so handsome.
No. Don't even think about it. The moment he steps foot in this building, he's mine.
Where have you been? Do you even know who's coming today?
I was dropping my daughter, Lily, off at school. Sorry I'm late. Who's coming?
Oh, don't give me excuses about your kid. I'm the daughter of the biggest swimming coach in the country.
Yeah, you never stop reminding us of that.
Are you talking back to me? You're shameless. Today, America's most...
He's here.
Get the coffees.
Oh my God.